recollect, RECOLLECT, मतलब याद करना. I recollected his name suddenly. Apposite, APPOSITE, युक्त, his comment was apposite to the situation. Pertinent, PERTINENT, मतलब संबंधित, she asked a pertinent question. Mordant, MORDANT, मतलब तीक्ष्ण, कटु, he made a mordant remark. Moribund, MORIBUND, मतलब मृत्यु के कगार पर. The patient was moribund. Moribund, MORIBUND, मतलब मरणासन. The industry is now moribund. Morbid, MORBID, मतलब रोग या मौत में गहरी रुचि रखना. He has a morbid interest in horror stories. Acerbic, ACERBIC, मतलब तीखा. She gave an acerbic reply. Trenchant, TRENCHANT, मतलब प्रभावशाली. He delivered a trenchant speech. Sardonic, SARDONIC, मतलब ताना मारने वाला. He gave a sardonic smile. Purge, PURGE, मतलब शुद्ध करना. The system was purged of errors. Supple, SUPPLE, मतलब लचीला. Yoga keeps the body supple. Nimble, NIMBLE, मतलब फुर्तीला. The cat was nimble in its movements. Deft, DEFT, मतलब कुशल. She has a deft hand at painting. Grime, GRIME, मतलब गंदगी. Grime covered the old wall. Grim, GRIM, मतलब गंभीर. The situation looked grim. Voluble, VOLUBLE, मतलब बातूनी. He is voluble in conversations. Consternation, CONTERNATION, मतलब घबराहट. The news caused consternation. Constellation, CONSTELLATION, तारामंडल. We studied the Orion constellation. Profligate, PROFLIGATE, मतलब फिजूल खर्च. He led a profligate life. Proliferate, PROLIFERATE, मतलब तेजी से बढ़ना. Rumors began to proliferate. Pilferage, PILFERAGE, मतलब चोरी. Pilferage is common in crowded markets. Reproof, REPROOF, मतलब निंदा. He accepted the reproof quietly. Rebuke, REBUKE, मतलब फटकार लगाना. The teacher rebuked him for cheating. Rebut, REBUT, मतलब खंडन करना. He rebutted the false charges. Reprove, REPROVE, मतलब डांटना. The teacher reproved him for his mistake. Reprimand, REPRIMAND, मतलब फटकार. The officer reprimanded the clerk. Reproach, REPROACH, मतलब दोष लगाना. She reproached him for his laziness. Admonishment, ADMONISHMENT, मतलब चेतावनी. He received a stern admonishment. Abomination, ABOMINATION, मतलब घृणास्पद चीज. Corruption is an abomination. Invigorating, INVIGORATING, मतलब उत्साह करने वाला. Morning exercise is invigorating. Slackness, SLACKNESS, मतलब आलस्य. Slackness in duty is unacceptable. Somber, SOMBER, मतलब उदास. He wore a somber expression. Ominous, OMINOUS, मतलब अपशकुन. Dark clouds gave an ominous sign. Masticate, MASTICATE, मतलब चबाना. Chew your food properly and masticate slowly. Contraband, CONTRABAND, मतलब अवैध वस्तु. The police seized the contraband goods. Strenuous, STRENUOUS, मतलब श्रम साध्य. It was a strenuous task. Decimate, DECIMATE, मतलब भारी मात्रा में मारना. The disease decimated the population. Desiccated, desiccated, मतलब सूखा हुआ. The land became desiccated. Obdurate, obdurate, मतलब कठोर. He remained obdurate in his decision. Eulogy, eulogy, मतलब प्रशंसा. He delivered a moving eulogy. Euphoria, euphoria, मतलब आनंद. She was filled with euphoria. Pernicious, peer, icious, मतलब हानिकारक. Smoking is pernicious to health. Detrimental, detrimental, मतलब हानिकारक. Stress is detrimental to health. Evince, evince, मतलब प्रदर्शित करना. He evinced great courage. Espionage, espionage, मतलब जासूसी. He was arrested for espionage. Detente, detente, मतलब तनाव में कमी. Talks led to detente between the nations. Dilettante, dilettante, मतलब शौकिया. He is a dilettante in music. Ineffable, ineffable, मतलब अवर्णनीय. The beauty of the scene was ineffable. Forswear, forswear, मतलब त्यागना. He forswore all bad habits. conscript, मतलब सैन्य में भर्ती करना. To make somebody join armed forces. Pallid, pallid, मतलब मुरझाया हुआ. He looked pallid after the long illness. Reiterate, reiterate, मतलब दोहराना. Please reiterate your statement. Retreat, retreat, मतलब पलायन. The army had to retreat from the enemy forces. Retract, retract, मतलब खींचना. The cat can retract its claws. Labyrinth, labyrint, मतलब भूल भुलैया. The old city is a labyrinth of narrow streets. Impasse, impasse, मतलब गतिरोध. The negotiations reached an impasse. Scandalized, scandalized, मतलब चौंका हुआ. The community was scandalized by his behavior. Venerate, venerate, मतलब सम्मान करना. We venerate the heroes of our past. Revere, revere, मतलब श्रद्धा करना. Many people revere the ancient traditions. Reverie, reverie, मतलब स्वप्निल स्थिति. He was lost in a pleasant reverie. Disheveled, dishe, velled, मतलब अस्त व्यस्त. He appeared tired and disheveled. Cupidity, cupidity, मतलब लालच. His cupidity led him to make bad choices. Receptacle, receptacle, मतलब पात्र. Use this receptacle for waste paper. Veil, veil, मतलब आवरण. A thin veil covered her face. Barrel, barrel, मतलब barrel. They stored the oil in a large wooden barrel. Constrain, constrain, मतलब प्रतिबंधित करना. Lack of funds will constrain our project. Venial, venal, मतलब क्षम्य. A venial sin can be easily forgiven. Venal, venal, मतलब भ्रष्ट. The venal politician accepted a bribe. Exonerable, exonerable, मतलब दोषमुक्त. His actions were deemed exonerable. Revile, revile, मतलब गाली देना. It is wrong to revile others for their beliefs. Enigma, enigma, मतलब पहेली. His sudden disappearance remains an enigma. Paradox, paradox, मतलब विरोधाभास. It is a paradox that the more he earns the less he has. Soothe, soothe, मतलब शांति देना. Music can often soothe a troubled mind. Ambrosia, ambrosia, मतलब अमृत. The fruit tasted like pure ambrosia. NAPE मतलब गर्दन का पिछला हिस्सा. The cat carried her kitten by the nape of its neck. Nap KNAP मतलब पहाड़ी की चोटी. We stood on the nap to watch the sunset. Siesta SIESTA मतलब दोपहर के समय में नींद लेना. In many hot countries, people take a siesta after lunch. Awry AWRY मतलब गलत दिशा में. All our well-laid plans went awry. Comatose COMATOSE मतलब बेहोश, थका हुआ. He lay comatose in the hospital bed for days. Jounce JOUNCE मतलब उछलना. The old car began to jounce on the rough road. Pander PANDER मतलब किसी की इच्छाओं को पूरा करना. Leaders should not pander to the whims of the crowd. Ponder PONDER मतलब ध्यान से विचार करना. I need some time to ponder over your proposal. Gratify GRATIFY मतलब संतुष्टि देना. It is hard to gratify someone who is never satisfied. Gratuity GRATUITY इनाम राशि. The bill does not include the gratuity for the waiter. Gratitude GRATITUDE आभार. He expressed his deep gratitude for their help. Gracious GRACIOUS विनम्र और दयालु. The queen was very gracious to her guests. Grace GRACE सुंदरता और लचीलापन. The dancer moved across the stage with great grace. Inadvertent INADVERTENT अनजाना बिना इरादे का. I hope you can forgive my inadvertent mistake. Bashful BASHFUL Sharmila. The child gave a bashful smile to the visitors. Broad-minded BROADMINDED मतलब विचारशील. My parents are very broad-minded about my career choices. Contrite CONTRITE मतलब पछताया हुआ. He felt contrite after arguing with his friend. Contrived CONTRIVED मतलब कृत्रिम. The plot of the movie felt very contrived and unnatural. Unapologetic UNAPOLOGETIC मतलब बिना खेद के. He remained unapologetic despite the criticism. Arcane ARCANE मतलब रहस्यमय. The professor explained the arcane details of the ancient law. Altruistic ALTRUISTIC मतलब परोपकारी. Her altruistic nature led her to volunteer at the shelter. Connote CONNOTE मतलब संकेत करना. The word home can connote comfort and safety. Stringent STRINGENT मतलब सख्त. The company has stringent rules regarding safety. Regime REGIME मतलब शासन. The people suffered under the old military regime. Cabal CABAL मतलब गुप्त राजनीतिक समूह. The conspiracy was led by a small cabal of officers. SPECTRUM मतलब श्रेणी. The report covers a wide spectrum of social issues. Sporadic SPORADIC मतलब कभी कभी होने वाला. Sporadic fighting continued throughout the night. Whirling WHIRLING मतलब घूमना. Leaves were whirling around in the wind. Epidermic EPIDERMIC मतलब त्वचा की बाहरी परत. The doctor treated the patient for an epidermic infection. Stroll STROLL मतलब आराम से चलना. They went for a quiet stroll in the park. Revel REVEL मतलब आनंदित होना. The fans reveled in the team's victory. Revert REVERT मतलब वापस लौटना. He tried to quit smoking, but eventually reverted to his old habit. Spiritually SPIRITUALLY मतलब आत्मिक रूप से. He felt spiritually connected to nature. Acquire ACQUIRE मतलब प्राप्त करना. She managed to acquire a rare copy of the book. Renounce RENOUNCE मतलब त्यागना. he decided to renounce his claim to the property. Denounce, D-E-N-O-U-N-C-E, matlab, ninda karna. The government was quick to denounce the terrorist attack. Relinquish, R-E-L-I-N-Q-U-I-S-H, matlab, त्याग देना. He was forced to relinquish his control over the company. Revoke, R-E-V-O-K-E, matlab, निरस्त करना. The authorities decided to revoke his driving license. Immaculate, I-M-M-A-C-U-L-A-T-E, matlab, पूर्णतः स्वच्छ. She kept her house in immaculate condition. Limpid, L-I-M-P-I-D, matlab, पारदर्शी. We could see the fish swimming in the limpid water. Lopsided, L-O-P-S-I-D-E-D, matlab, asantulit. The painting was hanging at a lopsided angle. Gourmet, G-O-U-R-M-E-T, matlab, भोजन और शराब के विशेषज्ञ. He is a gourmet who travels the world for fine dining. Gastronomy, G-A-S-T-R-O-N-O-M-Y, matlab, भोजन शास्त्र. French gastronomy is famous all over the world. Fussy, F-U-S-S-Y, matlab, चिड़चिड़ा, ज़्यादा ध्यान देने वाला. He is very fussy about the clothes he wears. Crusade, C-R-U-S-A-D-E, matlab, आंदोलन. They launched a crusade against child labor. Flatten, F-L-A-T-T-E-N, matlab, समतल करना. The heavy rain helped to flatten the tall grass. Lousy, L-O-U-S-Y, matlab, खराब. I had a lousy weekend because of the bad weather. Aura, A-U-R-A, matlab, वातावरण. There was an aura of mystery surrounding the old house. Aurai, A-W-R-Y, matlab, गलत. Something has gone awry with our computer system. Yielding, Y-I-E-L-D-I-N-G, matlab, दबाव में झुकना. He finally gave a yielding response to their demands. Felicitate, F-E-L-I-C-I-T-A-T-E, matlab, बधाई देना. They gathered to felicitate the winning team after the match. Facilitate, F-A-C-I-L-I-T-A-T-E, matlab, आसान बनाना. The new software will facilitate faster data processing for the company. Adored, A-D-O-R-E-D, matlab, श्रद्धा करना. She is adored by millions of fans around the world. Bane, B-A-N-E, matlab, sharp. High taxes are the bane of many small business owners. Ostracize, O-S-T-R-A-C-I-Z-E, matlab, बहिष्कृत करना. The group decided to ostracize him because of his dishonest behavior. Extradite, E-X-T-R-A-D-I-T-E, matlab, प्रत्यार्पित करना. The government is trying to extradite the criminal from the foreign country. Bumptious, B-U-M-P-T-I-O-U-S, matlab, घमंडी. His bumptious attitude made him very unpopular with his colleagues. Bumpy, B-U-M-P-Y, matlab, ubad khabar. The drive was very uncomfortable because the road was so bumpy. Podium, P-O-D-I-U-M, matlab, manch. The speaker stepped up to the podium to begin his presentation. Ingenuous, I-N-G-E-N-U-O-U-S, matlab, masoom. Her ingenuous nature made her believe everything people told her. Ingenious, I-N-G-E-N-I-O-U-S, matlab, chatur avishkarak. He came up with an ingenious plan to solve the complex problem. Indigenous, I-N-D-I-G-E-N-O-U-S, matlab, swadeshi. Many indigenous plants are used for medicinal purposes in this region. Igneous, I-G-N-E-O-U-S, matlab, ज्वालामुखी से उत्पन्न. The island is primarily composed of dark igneous rock. Ingenuity, I-N-G-E-N-U-I-T-Y, matlab, कुशलता. It took a lot of ingenuity to fix the engine with such limited tools. Reluctance, R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-C-E, matlab, अनिच्छा. She showed great reluctance to accept the new job offer. Resurgence, R-E-S-U-R-G-E-N-C-E, matlab, पुनरुत्थान. There has been a resurgence of interest in traditional folk music. Insurgent, I-N-S-U-R-G-E-N-T, matlab, विद्रोही. The government forces were sent to stop the insurgent groups. Spume, S-P-U-M-E, matlab, झाग. The waves left a thick white spume on the sandy shore. Fume. F-U-M-E. Matlab. Dhua. We could see the dark fume rising from the factory chimney. Peruse. P-E-R-U-S-E. Matlab. Adhyan karna. Please take a few minutes to peruse the document before signing. Plebiscite. P-L-E-B-I-S-C-I-T-E. Matlab. Janmat Sangrah. The country held a plebiscite to decide on the new constitution. Referendum. R-E-F-E-R-E-N-D-U-M. Matlab. Janamat Sangrah. A referendum was called to vote on the environmental policy. Effigy. E-F-F-I-G-Y. Matlab. Pratik. The protesters burned an effigy of the unpopular politician. Predilection. P-R-E-D-I-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Matlab. Prathamikta. He has a strong predilection for classical music over pop. Proclivity. P-R-O-C-L-I-V-I-T-Y. Matlab. Pravriti. Some people have a natural proclivity for learning new languages. Penchant. P-E-E-N-C-H-A-N-T. Matlab. Jhukav. She has a penchant for collecting antique watches. Fallible. F-A-L-L-I-B-L-E. Matlab. Doshpurna. Every human being is fallible. Unassailable. U-N-A-S-S-A-I-L-A-B-L-E. Matlab. Abhedya. The team built an unassailable lead. Maestro. M-A-E-S-T-R-O. Matlab. Shastriya Sangeetkar. The maestro conducted the orchestra beautifully. Chastise. C-H-A-S-T-I-S-E. Matlab. Kadi ninda karna. He was chastised for his many mistakes. Upbraid. U-P-B-R-A-I-D. Matlab. Fatkar lagana. She upbraided him for being late. Pawn. P-A-W-ing. Matlab. Katputli. He was used as a pawn in their game. Scrounge. S-C-R-O-U-N-G-E. Matlab. Ikhattha karna. I managed to scrounge some spare change. Feeble. F-E-E-B-L-E. Matlab. Kamzor. The old man has a feeble voice. Consort. C-O-N-S-O-R-T. Matlab. Sathi. The prince and his consort arrived early. Convoy. C-O-N-V-O-Y. Matlab. The trucks traveled in a secure convoy. Revenue. R-E-V-E-N-U-E. Matlab. The company reported record annual revenue. Envy. E-N-V-Y. Matlab. Jalan. His success filled them with envy. Desultory. D-E-S-U-L-T-O-R-Y. Niruddeshya. They had a desultory conversation about weather. Diligent. D-I-L-I-G-E-N-T. Mehnati. She is a diligent and focused student. Sinuous. S-I-N-U-O-U-S. Lachila. The river followed a sinuous path. Serene. S-E-R-E-N-E. Matlab. Shant. The mountain lake looked very serene. E-R-R-O-N-E-O-U-S. Matlab. Galat. He made an erroneous assumption about us. Trickle. T-R-I-C-K-L-E. Matlab. Bahav. A trickle of water leaked out. Splash. S-P-L-A-S-H. Cheete. The kids love to splash in puddles. Enormous. E-N-O-R-M-O-U-S. Matlab. Vishal. The elephant is an enormous animal. Enormity. E-N-O-R-M-I-T-Y. Matlab. Burai. We were shocked by the enormity of his crime. Petty. P-E-T-T-Y. Matlab. Tuch. Don't waste time on petty arguments. Pity. P-I-T-Y. Matlab. Daya. I felt great pity for the homeless man. Warehouse. W-A-R-E-H-O-U-S-E. Matlab. Godam. They store the goods in a warehouse.
Day 1. Respite. Respite. R-E-S-P-I-T-E. Matlab. Rahat. The rain gave some respite from heat. Hiatus. H-I-A-T-U-S. Matlab. Viram. There was a brief hiatus in work. Adorn. A-D-O-R-N. Matlab. Sajana. She adorned the room with flowers. Abolish. A-B-O-L-I-S-H. Matlab. Samapt karna. The government decided to abolish the law. Quiver. Q-U-I-V-E-R. Matlab, कांपना. His hands began to quiver. Waver. W-A-V-E-R. Matlab, डगमगाना. Do not waver in your resolve. Caricature. C-A-R-I-C-A-T-U-R-E. Matlab, व्यंग्य चित्र. The artist drew a funny caricature. Laud. L-A-U-D. Matlab, प्रशंसा करना. The teacher lauded her efforts. Simulate. S-I-M-U-L-A-T-E. Matlab, अनुकरण करना. The machine can simulate human actions. Stimulate. S-T-I-M-U-L-A-T-E. Matlab, उत्तेजित करना. Music can stimulate the mind. Amulet. A-M-U-L-E-T. Matlab, ताबीज. He wore an amulet for protection. Emulate. E-M-U-L-A-T-E. Matlab, अनुकरण करना. Students should emulate good leaders. Intimacy. I-N-T-I-M-A-C-Y. Matlab, घनिष्ठता. Their friendship grew in intimacy. Imitate. I-M-I-T-A-T-E. Matlab, नकल करना. Children often imitate elders. Intimate. I-N-T-I-M-A-T-E. Matlab, घनिष्ठ. They are intimate friends. Intimation. I-N-T-I-M-A-T-I-O-N. Matlab, सूचना. He sent an intimation of arrival. Imitation. I-M-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Matlab, अनुकरण. This watch is an imitation. Speculate. S-P-E-C-U-L-A-T-E. Matlab, अनुमान लगाना. People speculate about the result. Tame. T-A-M-E. Matlab, पालतू. The lion was finally tamed. Tranquil. T-R-A-N-Q-U-I-L. Matlab, शांत. The village is calm and tranquil. Fictitious. F-I-C-T-I-T-I-O-U-S. Matlab, काल्पनिक. The story is fictitious. Atrocity. A-T-R-O-C-I-T-Y. Matlab, क्रूरता. The war crime was an atrocity. Envy. E-N-V-Y. Matlab, jalan. He felt envy of his success. Tedious. T-E-D-I-O-U-S. Matlab, needless. The work was tedious. Paucity. P-A-U-C-I-T-Y. Matlab, kami. There is a paucity of funds. Surplus. S-U-R-P-L-U-S. Matlab, adhikta. The harvest produced a surplus. Fortify. F-O-R-T-I-F-Y. Matlab, mazboot karna. They fortified the walls. Disparity. D-I-S-P-A-R-I-T-Y. Matlab, bhinnata. There is disparity in income. Pester. P-E-S-T-E-R. Matlab, परेशान करना. Do not pester your parents. Trimming. T-R-I-M-M-I-N-G. Matlab, छंटाई. The gardener is trimming the plants. Skimming. S-K-I-M-M-I-N-G. Matlab, सतही हटाना. She is skimming the cream. Rivaled. R-I-V-A-L-L-E-D. Matlab, मुकाबला करना. He rivaled his brother in studies. Savor. S-A-V-O-U-R. Matlab, स्वाद लेना. Please savor the food. Savior. S-A-V-I-O-R. Matlab, उद्धारक. He is regarded as a savior. Savory. S-A-V-O-U-R-Y. Matlab, स्वादिष्ट. The dish is savory. Perpetrate. P-E-R-P-E-T-R-A-T-E. Matlab, अपराध करना. He tried to perpetrate a crime. Intervention. I-N-T-E-R-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Matlab, हस्तक्षेप. Timely intervention saved lives. Aversion. A-V-E-R-S-I-O-N. Matlab, aruchi. He has an aversion to smoking. Impudence. I-M-P-U-D-E-N-C-E. Matlab, ashishtata. His impudence shocked everyone. Impudent. I-M-P-U-D-E-N-T. Matlab, besham. He made an impudent remark. Prudent. P-R-U-D-E-N-T. Matlab, samajhdar. A prudent decision saved time. Despondent. D-E-S-P-O-N-D-E-N-T. Matlab, nirash. He looked despondent after failure. trauma, TRAUMA, मतलब आघात. The accident caused deep trauma. Blister, BLISTER, मतलब फफोला. A blister formed on his foot. Novice, NOVICE, मतलब नवांकुर. He is a novice in teaching. Abstain, ABSTAIN, मतलब परहेज करना. He decided to abstain from alcohol. Refrain, REFRAIN, मतलब रोकना. Please refrain from shouting. Lush, LUSH, मतलब हरा भरा. The garden looks lush. Consensus, CONSENSUS, मतलब सहमति. They reached a consensus. Equanimity, EQUANIMITY, मतलब शांति. He faced loss with equanimity. Unanimity, UNANIMITY, मतलब सर्वसम्मति. The decision was taken with unanimity. Magnanimity, MAGNANIMITY, मतलब उदारता. He showed magnanimity to the poor. Proximity, PROXIMITY, मतलब निकटता. The school is in close proximity. Supersede, SUPERSEDE, मतलब प्रतिस्थापित करना. New rules supersede old ones. Crude, CRUDE, मतलब कच्चा. The oil is in crude form. Grumble, GRUMBLE, मतलब शिकायत करना. He began to grumble loudly. Sheer, SHEER, मतलब सीधा. Sheer effort brought success. Gloomy, GLOOMY, मतलब उदास. The sky looked gloomy.
एक बार देखो, बार बार सुनो. याद रखने का सीधा मंत्र, रिवीजन है सबसे बड़ा तंत्र. डेली अपडेट्स के लिए अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और लर्निंगपुर परिवार से जुड़ें. सीखना अब आसान और मजेदार.